welcome back to our channel, and we are also back here in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga to feature this stunning two-story modern design property located in exclusive and secured subdivision, which has also a quick access to its amenities such as your clubhouse, your basketball court, tennis court, and of course, your pool area. This is also accessible to major establishments such as your schools, malls, supermarkets, and other business establishments. So before we begin, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more updates on our videos. This is your host, Anna, and we're Blueprint Properties, Pampanga. Let's start. Okay, dahil nandito na rin tayo, mag-start tayo sa ating carport. This is a two-car carport, but still, you can see, very spacious. And kung saan ako nag-intro kanina, mapapansin nyo, dito pala. Yung glass, ayan. Diba? It's not usual na ganito yung design, diba? Like, carport and then there's glass. So, kaya dito kami nag-intro para, diba? Para maiba naman. Very nice. That's an accent. Also, ayan, spacious ang ating carport. Fully covered. You have your these are parang spotlights. And, pakita ko dito, ito ay access going to your laundry area, service area doon sa likod. Pakita natin yan later, but ayan, I just want you to see na meron tayong mga plants na dito, but of course, you can still add more plants if you wish to. So this is your porch. Ayan, very spacious ang ating porch. Diba? Elevated din siya. You have your simple landscaping here. And, ayan, we have your white painted wall dito. And your fence naman, hindi ko ito na-mention kanina, but your fence, you have metal. You also have, actually, this is not just a plain painted wall. Meron siyang material. So you have tiles here para magmukha siyang bricks. Makikita natin yung facade sa mga montage natin. Kaya pasok montage for you to see. At, eto. Okay, so this is also another garden. Dito, pasilipin ko kayo. Your garden, and makikita nyo banda doon yung lanay. At yon. So may ikot yung property. So pagpasok mo dito, lalabas kayo sa may banda ng carport. Alright, dito na tayo. As you can see ang ating door, this is a solid door, which is also smart locked. At hindi siya yung usual size, so it's wide, and also mas mataas siya. And it's not just a plain door, it's not just a plain door. Plain design door, but also, ayan, may design siya at ang cute ng handle niya. Okay. Nakikita nyo na rin naman nandyan yung property, kaya pasok na tayo. Let's go! Okay, pagpasok natin, ayan, kitang-kita yung ating mga glass. Luxurious feels. Yan ang glass, di ba? So this is your living area. Open, we don't have furniture, so nasa inyo how you want to design your property or your home. Ito ang ating TV rack, so you can mount your TV here, or you can also put it here. May mga storage din tayo dyan. And, ayan. Sa ceiling natin, we have your fan, and also, meron tayong wood accent, and I believe totoong wood to. These are fluted panels. So these are panels. Alright, next, ito na. Napansin ko to pagpasok ko kanina. Napaka-nostalgic. These are jalousie. Tignan mo, but hindi yung katulad ng mga jalousie before, di ba? Kasi mga jalousie before, konting tama lang natatanggal. But these are actually very cool. You know what I love about jalousie kasi, even before, compared to sliding windows, pag inopen mo siya, yung full window mo will enable air to pass through. So ito, pag open mo niyan, natural air tayo. Diba? Ang nostalgic na naman yung pusa. Kanina pa siya. Very nostalgic at nakakatuwa kasi nagawa niyang ma-incorporate yung modern design with your glass at yung inyong jalousie. Alright, this is your staircase. As you can see, very, parang obvious naman. Your staircase. But under it, you have, ayan, diba? It's a storage, or also you can put some accent here if you want. Pwede rin siyang mini corner mo Like if you want to read book here, or if you're waiting for someone sa CR, na ito ang yung first full bath. So this is your full bath. This is your powder room, I mean. Meron kang wide mirror dyan. You have your sink, your storage, and of course, ayan. Dahil half siya, so when you say half, or powder room is half bath, wala tayong shower area. So this is your powder room. Let's go, balik tayo sa ating dining area. Okay, so, ito yung ating dining area. Makita niyo, diretso lang na yun. This is your dining area. Still, you have your glass and you have your jalousie dito. Kung ayaw mo ng, diba? Kung ayaw mong i-on ng yung aircon, you can always open it. At, grabe, sobrang, presko ng hangin pag inopen mo siya. Your dining area is so spacious that it can fit a long table na siguro mga 10, 12, pwede siya. Ganon siya kahaba. Diba? Did you see kung gaano kalayo yung nilakad ko doon? And this is your lanay. Ang ganda ng lanay niya, oh. Tapos you can put, if you have, your gatherings, you can open this. Tapos mag-add ka lang ng tables dyan. And ayun. Ang ganda rin ng accent ng wall doon sa garden natin. Di ba may mga stones tayo. Paglabas natin mamaya papakita ko yan. But for now, dito muna tayo sa ating kitchen. Ayan, you have your breakfast nook. You can put stools here. Yan, gusto ka siyang tatlo or if you want yung mga may foam, yung big, pwedeng dalawa. Also, it's your island and your breakfast nook. Tapos kung mapapansin mo, again, waterfall yung ating design. Meron ka rin ditong storage and of course, may mga shelves ka. Okay, for your, parang before na madalas lang itanong, saan yung ref? This is your, parang obvious, provision for your ref. Ayan. Ano to? Oh, okay. So, inaayos pa. Okay. May mga iba pa palang inaayos dito. Alright. So, ang design nito, kitang-kita yung wood. And then, ang ganda ng color niya kasi you have your white, tapos may wood ka dito. Tapos, may accent ka sa yung splashboard. Ayan. Ang splashboard mo, parang yung term, hindi siya dumihin. Bukod sa yung color niya, madali din siyang linisan kasi glossy siya. So, madaling punasan. The oil spills, hindi yan magsistick dyan. Ayan, the range hood and the cooktop is included. Marami pang included. Actually, yung aircon included po sila. I think these are 6 units. And also, your gate. It's actually an automated gate which is also included. But, i-install sila upon purchase po ng ating buyer. They also have the centralized solar water system. Ayan. Solar water heater system. Ayan. Centralized po yun. So, lahat ng mga sink natin, ayan, ang ating water po. Centralized po ang ating heater. Ito ay a single bowl stainless steel sink with a metal gun color. Ganda. Ito talaga yung favorite ko eh. Yung sa mga baso. So, muntik ko na, baka lumabas yung water. Oh my gosh, ayan. So, you have your cabinets. Ang ganda ng cabinets. There. Eto pa. And of course, ito sa taas. And then, ang ganda dahil concealed yung ating exhaust. Okay. Super nice. Paglakad mo dito, nakita nyo kanina tong door na to. If you have your show kitchen or your formal kitchen, of course, you also have your auxiliary, service, or your dirty kitchen, which is actually here. Which I don't see anything dirty about it. Look at that, di ba? Same quality ng granite natin here doon. Yung inyong splashboard doon. Actually same sila ng material. Iba lang yung design niya. This is white, yung isa, meron siyang parang mga pattern. And then your sink, yes, this is a single bone stainless steel sink. Same quality nung nandun, but the color is different. That one is a metal gun color. This one is silver. Your cabinets, ayan. Modular din to. And these are aluminum continuous handle na black ang color. Okay, so this is your service kitchen. And Dito rin makikita ang inyong maid's room na merong sarili ng bathroom. So full bath, you have your shower area, you have your sink, and also you have your toilet, of course. Ayan. At as you can see, ang tiles natin, from floor to ceiling, tiles tayo. We don't have a painted wall. Alright. Ang namang room niya, it's good for a single bed. Tapos you can make it double deck at may space ka pa for your dresser or for your cabinet. Actually, pwede dito kasi may socket ka pa doon. Ito namang door na to, ito yung paikot sa property. Ito yung daan palabas. This is your laundry area. Dito muna tayo. So, laundry area. Ayan, may socket ka dyan. Kasya ang dalawang washing machine. You have your sink here. And ito yung kaninang garden papunta doon sa carport. Dito siya. Hala! Andun na naman si Mingming. Ayun na naman siya. Akala niya talaga mami niya ako. Okay. Alright. So, paglakad natin. Sir, ingat ka. Ayan. Ito naman, this is the garden doon sa may lanay. Ayan. Di ba so nice? Dito ako magbabanda. Di ba ang ganda nung... Ayaw niya akong iwan. Ang ganda nung mga stone design sa wall. Tapos pag tinamaan siya ng LED lamps pa natin. Ayan. Very, very nice. Okay. Dito naman sa side na to, ito yung kanina, yung first garden na pinakita ko. Alam mo, pag nandoon, parang maikli lang siya. Pero pag dito mo siya tinignan, ang haba pala niya, you can add more plants pa dito. Ayokong iwan ng pusa. Okay. Ayan, pasok tayo dito sa ating lanay. I'm sorry, Mingming. Hindi ako ang ina mo. Okay. Ay, ang ganda nito. Oh, cement finish lang siya, but meron siyang mga lines, mga groove lines. Ang ganda ng design niya. Akala ko kanina tiles siya, but it's cement finish. Parang adobe design. Even here pala, hindi ko ito napansin. Wow. Tsaka nakita niyo ba yung mga switch natin? These are not just ordinary switch. Diba? Not the usual white na switch. Okay, akyat na tayo. This is your staircase with wood handrail and your metal railing. Pag akyat mo, very mabilis umakyat. Very spacious landing. Ayan, wide. Aside from it looks good, very safe sa mga bata at sa ating mga elderly. Very nice. At ang ganda din nito, you can put a curtain if you want, but if you're a fan of the natural light, lalo na pag umaga yan, perfect yan. At, look at the chandelier. Yung punto ko doon medyo, look at the chandelier. Oh. Pagkakit natin, mamaya na yan, master's bedroom. So, dito muna tayo sa ating first bedroom. Ayan. So, all our bedrooms, nasa second floor sila. There. Ah, okay. Pagpasok ko, nakita ko agad yung flooring. These are real bamboo. Yan. Kaya, ang effect niyan, unlike other, yung mga artificial or mga wood design lang, pag wood kasi, mas nag-absorb ng init siya. Diba? So, yun. Ayan. Ito ang inyong accent wall. You have a track light to give emphasis to your accent wall. Sorry. Ayan. Ito, dito yung ating headboard. Ay, kasya yung king size bed dito. Kasya ang king size bed natin. Ayan. Your window. And, oh, here. You have your built-in cabinet. Shelves. Drawer. Here also. Very spacious ang ating room. Ooh, very nice. Again, aircon is included. They will install it upon purchase ng ating property. Dito muna tayo. Bathroom, which is a full bath. At ang ganda ng kanyang vanity mirror. Yan, look at your vanity mirror. Taran! So nice, no? Oh, diba? Ang ganda nito kasi, nakikita mo na kung ano yung nasa loob. But it's not too unlike the clear glass, because it's not clear, it's gray, so hindi siya masyadong exposed, pero nakikita siya, if you get what I mean, but something like that. Okay, so mas maganda siyang tignan. Your lavatory sink, you have it under mount, so under mount siya. At ay, ang arte nito, ang ganda. So nice. And of course, ang tiles, let us not forget to mention. Oh my gosh, I forgot what they call this, but hindi siya yung nakakat na tiles. Alam mo yon? Yeah. So it looks like one piece actually. I think it is patterned, but it's put in a way that it wouldn't look na pinagdikit-dikit lang siya. Ayan. Alright, your shower area and your tiles. Ang ganda ng tiles kasi it's textured. Tapos mukha siyang wallpaper, no? But it's, tiles talaga siya. Of course, from floor to ceiling. At same siya ng ating flooring. Textured, so hindi siya slippery. Your niche. Tapos meron siyang accent nun. Your metal gun color piano style na stainless steel shower set. Rain shower. You also have this, ang inyong hand shower. Ayan. Meron ka ring ito, your spray gun. There. Alright, ang cool naman nito. And your tempered glass partition. Next naman, ang iyong, grabe yung pause ko, grabe na. Okay. Next naman, this is your second bedroom. Oh, okay. There. So, kung dun sa kabila, the painted one has a dark color. This is light. At dito naman yung dark. Ganda. Wide window. The aircon is included. This can fit a king-size bed. As you can see, even yung layo nila. Ayan, perfect siya. Pwede siyang mag-fit ng king-size bed. Your built-in cabinet. You have your shelves. You also have your, ayan, and your drawer. Tapos parang hindi ko to na-mention kanina. Yung shelves dito, ayan oh. Nice for your bag. Pag open mo bags, dyan oh. Or anything that you want na ma-emphasize. Ang ganda. So nice. Also, okay, let's not forget the track light. Ayan. Diba? Very aesthetic yung dating niya. Doon sa ating wall. Next. Ito, parang hindi ko to agad mention kanina. But this is your family area. Ang laki ng family area nyo, diba? And of course, pag nandito ka, makita mo yung chandelier. Ang ganda. Para siya yung mga classic. Parang nostalgic nga siya yung dating niya. Even yung nagmamatch siya dun sa jealousy. Diba? Those kind of bulbs. Nakalimutan ko yung tawag, but yun. And then, ito. And ayan, yung ating, this is your TV rack. Ang haba, diba? Oh. And you can put your TV here. You can also mount it here. So, kung gano'ng kalaki yung TV na gusto mo, sige, ilagay mo lang dyan. Kasya siya. You can even mount it here. Your ceiling, there you have your ceiling fan. At meron ka pa rin good accent sa iyong ceiling. Meron ka ring balcony na, ayan, the extension of your family area is your balcony. Woo! Hi, fresh air. There you go. Ay, ang ganda kasi para siyang view deck sa iyong garden. Ayan. You can put sofa, coffee table, rattan swing. You can even add more plants here. Ayan. So when you open, extension siya ng iyong family area. And lastly, so pagpasok natin, pag-akit mo talaga din sa second floor, to your left, yung first room na mapupuntahan mo, that is your master's bedroom. But we usually view our master bedroom na huling-huli. So, here it is. Ganda ng door. Parang sinisigaw niya talagang ako ang master's bedroom. Pagpasok mo, ang ganda. Parang kang may foyer, receiving area dito. Which can be your study area. Though very siya, very parang mas ideal to for mas ideal to for like mga displays, you know. Yeah. Na-share ko lang, but still, your choice. Pagpasok mo, you can see how spacious it is. Ayan. Accent wall, cement finish. So nice. Industrial design touch. You have your wood flooring. And again, spacious siya. Wow, you have here. If you want to put your bed frame here, or you can put it there. No, so if you put your bed frame there, meron kang provision for your TV if you want to put your TV here. So nice. Wow. Parang flexible, you know. Diba? Sockets. And meron kang sarili mong, you have your own view deck. Oh, ito pala yung sa ano kanina. Okay, so ito yung sa front ng property. Kasi pag nandito ka, ang nakikita mo is yung, ayan, the parking at yung street. But you can also put a coffee table here, or you can just make it your view deck. Okay, next. Alam mo kanina, hinahanap ko yung pagpasok ko, hinahanap ko agad yung bathroom. Kasi parang hindi ko nasilip if meron siyang walk-in closet kanina. So, let's see. Kasi ako meron siya walk-in closet. This is perfect for a mirror. Oh, meron siya walk-in closet. Hindi ko napansin kanina. Pagpasok, naman. Diba? Wow. Ang ganda. There. Okay. There you have, meron ka pang sabitan dito. You have drawers. At actually, pagpasok mo dito, meron pa, sir. So, if you wanna come in, sir, para makita mo dito. So many storage dito. O, diba? Sobrang maximize yung space. At ang ganda nito. And yung sa taas, you can put things pa sa taas. So cool. And, syempre, kung meron kang, kung nandito ang iyong, dito, ang iyong walk-in closet. Hala, nagahang na ako. Dito naman ang ating, ay ang ganda ng bathroom kasi, oh, it's clear glass. At pagpasok mo, ang spacious talaga niya. Super. Can you see that? Ang yung sink, it's a vessel type sink. Ang yung mirror, it's actually wide. And, alam mo, I think, pwede ba siya? Like, you can put a him and her na sink. I'm not sure if pwede siya. But, it looks nice. such as schools. Ay, nakalimutan ko. Ay, ulit. Sorry. Ay, ano ba yan? Ikakat natin. Pang bloopers na lang yun. Ay, shucks. Facebook. Property Pampanga. Ay, Blueprint Properties Pampanga. See you on our See you on our next house tour. Ay, siya mali. Ulitin ko siya, sir. Sorry talaga. And our... Bakit ngayon ka pa naglalag? This is... Sandali.